How to deactivate Messenger account. Hey guys, this is Nina from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. First of all, to deactivate your Messenger account, you have to deactivate your Facebook account. So open up your Facebook, go to your profile on your top right, go to Settings and Privacy, and hit the Settings icon on the first menu. Tap on See More in Account Center. Here go to Personal Details, and again go to Account Ownership and Control. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion on the second option. Tap on Continue. Enter your password, tap Continue. And once you have deactivated your Facebook, let's open our Messenger and deactivate that as well. Open your Messenger application. Go onto this third bar icon on your top left. Then go to the Settings icon. Scroll all the way below and tap on See More in Account Center. Again here, go to Personal Details. Go to Account Ownership and Control. Again, Deactivation or Deletion. And now here, tap on Continue. Lastly, enter your password and tap Continue. That is how you deactivate your Messenger account. If this video has helped you in any ways, do like and subscribe.